So this video is no promo. Trust me, I hope you've learned by now that this whole channel or everything that I do, all the content that I push is basically just raw, authentic. I just go through my experiences, build my opinions, and just give it to you as raw as possible. And let me tell you, there's a lot of... I'm trying not to be mean, but there's a lot of garbage on the internet. There is, trust me. There's a lot of people. I wouldn't say necessarily garbage, but there's a lot of people just trying to sell you the dream just for their benefits, right? Obviously, there's information on the internet. There's so much that you kind of have to curate it at what's bullshit, what's true, what's your level, because a lot of people target beginners, like absolute beginners, or people that are more experienced. But from my experience, I've joined Rippy Club. And for $50 a month, especially for knowing the price, $50 a month, you get very amazing information. It's completely changed my whole perspective on e-commerce. I think a lot of people kind of still sell the drop shipping dream, shining golden objects in your face and thinking that drop shipping is kind of it's the get rich quick theme. Get rich quick scheme. I got corrected by that from last video. But look, realistically, this is my opinion, okay? Because everyone is different. I truly believe that it really depends on your situation. But obviously, I'm not new to the game. I'm not new to e-commerce. Yes, I'm still a noob technically, but I've been in the game for a while, and obviously, I have the experience, and I truly believe I have the knowledge to generate six figures. I know how to run a website, how to run a creative, choose products, customer support, email marketing. I know how to run a store. I've done it, So I've always seeked for better information, for the next level. And Rippy Club actually teaches that. And look, again, I don't benefit from this. My aunt who runs Rippy Club doesn't even know who the fuck I am. Okay? I benefit zero from this. It's just genuinely, I give information of which I wish I heard when I first started, and Rippy Club is 100% something you should start with. But ignoring the price of $50 a month, he gives you the real shit. He doesn't bullshit you. He doesn't tell you that this shit is easy or that you can, with no skills, you can win in a month. He tells you honesty, authenticity, truth, and fucking raw game. He brings in people who are doing, 7 figures, and they just give you absolute sauce. They give you they basically break limiting beliefs, and they basically tell you what's the actual way from their experience. Because there's, we said, there's a lot of information on the internet, and he basically says, look, if you want to build a brand, you want to do good in e-commerce, you got to do it seriously. You got to treat it like a business. You got to treat it like you got to build a brand. But he does say, if you're a complete beginner, maybe the pump and dumps are better for you because of your lack of knowledge and your lack of experience. But it's just he's so real, and it's really good. And I think you can benefit from his $50 community, depending, and it doesn't matter which level you are, complete beginner or a bit advanced, doing 6 figures, 7 figures. He's always dropping very good information. And like I said, this is only my opinion from being a week in. I don't think I've crossed 2 weeks, but he's already kind of changed my whole perspective on the game. And he's one huge reason that changed my perspective. And realizing that from now on, you gotta treat it like a business. And trust me, look, the next videos coming up this week, I have it all lined up. I have literally on my whiteboard it all lined up and planned, because I have some sauce for you. If you're in a similar situation like me, where maybe you scaled a few little winners, but you're trying to take it to the next level. Like you're trying to hit those big numbers and consistent numbers, like not just like a one-time thing. Like you're trying to really change your life, like life-changing money and life-changing situations. I really have good information for you. And I'm just really excited for this next week like I've learned in the last week a lot of very, very good information. And literally I took the last few days just trying to formulate it, trying to like package it in a way where you can understand it the most and where it all makes sense. So I'm just so excited. But part of all this information that I've learned was from Rippy Club. And I don't want to take credit for, I want to give credit to where I learned a lot of things from. I didn't learn everything from him. I will talk about how I learned. Like, just stay tuned for the week. But like I said, this is just a quick video to tell you that if you're looking for good information online, like I wish I had a video like this, because trust me, I would search for like days, weeks trying to see like, what's the fucking best way all I know is Rippy Club is one very good option, especially for $50 a month. Again, no promo. I don't have affiliate link. I have fuck all. Like, it's just out of the kindness of my heart and from honesty. I always love giving honest opinions. I just feel like it's necessary for me to say, like, guys, Rippy Club is amazing. You should try it out. Even if you don't like it, it's $50 1 month. Whoop-de-doo, right? But his live calls are fucking amazing. His community is very big, so like the only thing is like the chat is too like active and it's like not tight, neat, like, like it's all over the place kind of thing. But that's what happens when you're a big community. But his live calls, bro, his live calls are saucy. He gives good resources, good PDFs, good get everything. It's really good. I like the way he does e-commerce. I like his strategies, his angles, and his mindsets and his advice. It's all really good. So again, go check it out. Again, no affiliate. He doesn't even know who the fuck I am. I just like, hopefully when I'm in a position like that where I'm building a community similar to him, where it's like built off good information, raw, authentic truth, I hope people have positive things to say about it as well. So yeah, that's it. Just go check it out. And yeah, pay your $50, go check it out, and that's when I'll fucking... Guys, no, like before I end it, please stay tuned for this week, put the notification bell on. Like, I'm not overhyping it. Like, I'm not overhyping it. I really got, like, a turning point in my journey is coming. It's right now. And all the info and sauce that I'm getting, it's worth money. I'm giving it out for free. So please, like... it's for you. It's not for me. I already know the knowledge. I just like giving it, and I can't stress this enough. Please make sure you follow along, okay? Stay tuned for this next week, and I'll fucking see you at the top.